In this Python programming solution video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 3 of chapter 2 named Python Revision Tour 2 of CBSE Class 12 Computer Science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a program that takes any two lists L and M of the same size and adds their elements together to form a new list N whose elements are sums of the corresponding elements in L and M. For instance, if L is equal to square bracket 3, 1, 4 square bracket and M is equal to square bracket 1, 5, 9, square bracket, then N should equal square bracket 4, 6, 13 square bracket. Now let's start solving the problem. Print the number of elements in both the lists should be equal. First, we simply print a statement stating that the number of elements in both the lists should be equal as desired by the question. Then L is equal to eval input, enter the first list. Then we ask the input for the first list. We have used the eval built-in function here, as the eval function will accept input in the list form with square brackets and store it as a list. Then M is equal to eval input, enter the second list. Then again we take the input for the second list. N is equal to square bracket open close. Next we create an empty list N in which we will store the sum of the elements of L and M. For I in range len L. Next we use a for loop to iterate over both the list values. Here we have used the length function as the range for the length of L. We could also have used M here instead of L because both would give the same results as the lengths of both the lists L and M are given equal. Total is equal to L square bracket L square bracket I plus M square bracket I. Next we store the sum of the ith element of list L and the ith element of list M in the variable total. Of course, this value will get updated with each iteration of the loop with respective ith values. Then N dot append total. Now we use the append method of list to add the value stored in total to our list N. Print N. Finally, we print the list N having all the elements with the respective sums from L and M lists. Now we run the program and enter the first list as square bracket 1, 5, 7, 9, 10 square bracket close. This list contains 5 elements. Enter. And then we enter the second list as square bracket 5, 4, 2, 7, 3 square bracket close. This list also contains 5 elements since both the lists need to be of the same size. Enter. And as expected, we get the output as 6, 9, 9, 16, 13 as a list, which is the sum of all the elements of list L and M. Thus we have verified that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.